Let's consider key economic terms. Key economics terms. All right. Now, we have scarcity, want, needs, choice, opportunity cost, resources, utility. All right. It's going to be interactive. When you hear scarcity, what comes to your mind? What is the meaning? Scarcity simply means limited what? Resources. When you hear scarcity in economics as a term, your mind should go to limited resources as a student. All right, so when you hear want in economics, what comes to your mind? Anytime you see want, your mind should go to what? Unlimited. Unlimited what? Human desires. Unlimited human desires. Remember, in the definition of economics, we are told that it's a social science that studies how humans, like governments, societies, including families, use limited resources to satisfy what? Unlimited wants. That want is unlimited what? Human desire. So these two terms appear prominently in the definition of economics. Are you following? All right. When you hear needs in economics, what comes to your mind? Needs has to do with what? Basic necessity. What? Basic necessity. Now, in my last class, I was teaching about budgeting. I told you that budgeting is a financial plan that shows estimates of what? Income and expenditure over a specific period of time. So anytime you are doing budgeting, you will need to consider needs, basic necessities. If you are doing budgeting, you consider what? Basic necessities before every other thing. We are not discussing budget today. I'm just highlighting budget. So needs has to do with what? Basic necessities. So put this into consideration. When you hear choice in economics, what does that mean? It simply means selecting what? One option. Make your choice. All right. When you hear opportunity cost, what does that mean in economics? Opportunity cost is the value of the next best alternative foregone. Opportunity cost is value of the next best alternative foregone. We have a class for just opportunity cost to explain to you everything about opportunity costs. Resources. When you hear resources in economics, what does that mean? It means inputs used in what? In production. Inputs used in production. This is production. All right. Now, utility. Utility as a term in economics simply means what? It simply means satisfaction from what? From consuming goods. All right. So take note of these terms: scarcity, wants, needs, choice, opportunity cost, resources, and utility. These are economics terms. You can take a screenshot. If you have a question, drop in the comment section. It's a very simple class. See you again. This is Student Affairs. Bye for now.